Alright, fellow YouTubers. I don't know if you know Rascal Flats, but they have this song called Riot. It's the easiest song in the world. If you want to learn how to play it the right way, then here it is. And it's basically those 4 chords. I played 4 chords. They may not look like them, but the chords were D, A, B minor, and then G. And now to play it how it sounds on the CD is you play the D, but instead of using your middle finger right here on the 2nd fret of the high E string, you're actually going to play the pinky on the 5th string, which I'm on a capo here because I tuned down half a step, but this would be the 5th fret, 3rd fret on the B string, and 2nd fret on the G string, and then you would play open on the D string, which gives you your first chord, the D. So again, that's D, 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd fret of the B string, and then 5th fret of the E string. And that is standard tuning I'm talking about right now. You just play the chords in a succession right here with your thumb. Once you have that, leave those there, and that's all you're going to be doing throughout the whole thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can go straight down 1, 2, 3, 4 each string, and then you can come up on the last one, and it's going to give that rhythm. And then you just go to the next chord, which is A. But what you're going to do on A is you just hit the, instead of the D string open, this D string open here, you're going to hit this A string open, but leave these fingers exactly how they are, just so that way it's easier for you. So you'll go from A to from D to A, and then for B is a little bit difficult. You'll have to learn a little bit of how to bar, because you're barring this first finger in order to capture the B note, which is the 2nd fret of the A string. Capture that B note, and then you want to keep this same pattern that you have from the D shape, and you want to be able to hit those two, just these two, here and here. And to play that, you just leave your fingers exactly how they are. This is D, A, and then to play the B, you have to hit that B note on the 2nd fret of the A string and the 2nd fret of the G string. And then you're going to go to G, but instead of playing G in a standard form, you're actually going to play just this G note here, which is the 3rd fret of the E string, and then you're going to use your index finger to play the 2nd fret of the high E string, which will give you that first. And you're going to pluck these together like so, and then you just use the high notes after that, which the next one will come out is going to be the 3rd fret of the high E string, and then back to the 2nd fret of the high E string, and then the 3rd fret of the B string. And to play that again in succession is A, then B, and G, and that's how to play the beginning of Riot by Rascal Flats. And then after that, when it goes into the chorus or any other rhythm strumming part, you just you're gonna play D, strumming pattern for that is probably just basically you're just going on the stroke pattern, and that's pretty much it. That's the entire song. You can add these fills here, and you're done. Voila, that's the entire song. Just those 4 chords throughout the entire thing.